Today we're going to be taking a look at a SUNCREAT hammock. SUNCREAT is one of my favorite brands for outdoor furniture. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo this for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. It is very bright out here. Like, it was supposed to be thunderstorming today, but there is not a cloud in the sky. SUNCREAT really goes above and beyond. They even include a cute little magnet with every one of their products. Isn't that adorable? I love it. The hammock is included with a pillow. Love the fact that it includes a pillow. You have the hardware to install this, which is not very much. And then you have 9 pieces of the actual frame for the hammock stand. In my experience, SUNCREAT has been very easy to put together. So hopefully this is the same way. Of course, I have to contend with a B, which is really fantastic. Not really. We're going to start with the A pieces and the B pieces. These are clearly marked. Each one of them has a little letter sticker, so that's nice. These just pop into place, and then there's this little button that you push through a hole. This took all of about 1 minute to put together, which is phenomenal. Okay, when you're going to put this part on here, you need there's 2 of these, 1 for each side. This hammock stand is actually quite a bit larger than I was expecting, and I am not mad at that. They have included these stabilization straps, which are different from the last SUNCREAT hammock that we had, and I'm really kind of excited to see how these work out. They attach to the base using these clamps, which you have 2 screws, 2 wing nuts, and 2 clamps. So he's helping me with this part. I have the 2 brace pieces going down to that segment down there, and he's tightening it up with the wing nut and the bolt. Just to put it in perspective for you, a normal hammock would like tip. The stabilization piece does not allow it to tip, which means I'm going to enjoy the stars tonight without worrying about falling out of the hammock. It also comes with a storage bag, so if you wanted to take this with you, say to the beach or camping, you can do that. It does have a slight odor, so I would recommend letting it kind of air out outside before you use it.
The thought that counts.
The pillow is a little lumpy, but that's okay. It doesn't even matter. It comes with ties, so you can tie it down so that way it doesn't like fly away if it gets windy. This is a big moment for me because I'm not the one that normally tries out the hammocks because I'm the heavy one. I feel like I'm almost touching the ground. But it is really comfortable.
Could adjust it a little bit more.
Yeah. Overall, I am really pleased with the SUNCREAT hammock. You can see that after I sat in it, everything kind of like stretched itself out because, you know, I'm not light. I'm not a small human. So we can move those down to make them tighter, or we can move these pieces over to the edges to give it more stability. But I'm really, really happy with the size of the hammock. It's super comfortable, and it was incredibly easy to put together.